In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update logo on Google Business Profile. If you want your business listing to look polished and consistent across Google Search and Google Maps, updating your logo is a simple but important step. The good news is that you can do it directly from your Google Business Profile in just a few moments, as long as you're signed into the Google account that manages the business. To begin, go to Google Search and search for your exact business name. This is the easiest way to pull up your business profile management panel. You can also open Google Maps, but in this walkthrough, we're starting from Google Search. Once your business appears, make sure you can see the management options for the profile. If you don't, double check that you're logged into the correct account. Next, look for the Edit Profile option and click it. This opens the editing tools for your business listing, where you can manage important details like photos, business information, and branding elements. Since we're focusing on your logo, this is the section you'll need to access before making any changes. After that, click the Add Photo icon. This is where Google lets you upload different types of images for your profile, such as interior shots, exterior photos, team pictures, and branding visuals. When the menu appears, choose the logo option. Selecting the correct photo category matters here because it tells Google that this image is specifically meant to represent your brand. Now upload your logo image from your computer or phone. Once the file is uploaded, you may see cropping tools. Take a moment here to adjust the image carefully so it looks clean and centered inside the round frame. This is especially important because logos can sometimes get cut off if they're too close to the edges. A simple, high-quality version of your logo usually works best for visibility. When everything looks right, click Set as Profile Photo or Save, depending on the version of the interface you see. After you save, your update may not appear instantly on the live profile. Google often reviews changes before publishing them, so it can take a day or two for the new logo to show publicly. That's it. By searching for your business, opening Edit Profile, selecting Add Photo, choosing Logo, uploading and cropping the image, and then saving it, you can update your Google Business Profile logo quickly and keep your brand looking professional across Google.